Art speaks where words are unable to explain. Today, we'll be having a short interview session with Ms. Nagba Firdausi on the topic BFA. First of all, ma'am, I would like you to introduce yourself.
I'm an art student. I've done my bachelor's of fine arts from Jamia Millia Islamia, and now I'm pursuing my master's degree from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapeeth.
Okay. So, coming on the topic, what exactly is the course BFA? Like, I'm from a completely different background. I have very little knowledge about it. So, what exactly is the course all about?
Bachelor's of Fine Art is a 4 years course, which is about which includes a lot of things from art, like fine art. You can have painting, you can have sculpture, you can have applied art, like commercial art, and you can have print making, graphics in it, and you also have art education in it. So this all these topics you study, and in this you specialize in one of these which I told you just now.
Okay. And what are the benefits and scope of it, mainly in our country, India?
Benefits and scope. Benefits. There are a lot of benefits when you study BFA. Uh, First of all, the main thing when you are pursuing bachelor's degree in painting, first of all, you don't, if you want to become a teacher after it, after this course, if you want to go to the teaching side, then you don't have to do, if you're staying in Delhi, you don't have to do a separate B.Ed course for this. You can straight away go to a secondary school and you can start teaching over there.
Okay, so there's no requirement for bachelor's of
For
education.
Yes, there
Okay.
is no requirement of it. So you can easily go and give an interview in at any school where there is vacancy. Then you're allowed to teach them. Apart from if you want to pursue it, if you want to do teaching, there are many options in it also. Like nowadays, everything is online. So in online also you can make courses and you can sell your course, and you can do a lot of things, and you can also get government jobs. A very good option is government job. You can There is NVS, KVS, and DSSB. In staying in Delhi, DSSB is giving you a very handsome salary, and you just have to click an exam for it.
Okay,
And
so what
government
is
job
the
is very,
eligibility criteria for that exam?
eligibility criteria is need to pass your bachelor's and you're good to go.
Okay, and how many attempts a person can give?
How many attempts? It has a limitation of age. You can try 4 to 5 times till the age of 35.
Okay, okay,
You can try.
till
The
35.
vacancy comes every after the vacancy comes after every 2 years.
Okay,
Every
and
2 years.
okay, so is there any reservation quota for it?
Reservations are everywhere nowadays.
Yeah, it's everywhere. Yeah, right. Okay. And how should a fresher begin this exam preparation? Is it like as hard as the JEE?
Which exam are you talking about? Actually, there's an entrance for bachelors also. We are talking about this government
This
NVS, or which
government
I was
one.
talking,
Yeah, the
government
one you were
one.
talking right now.
When you pass a bachelor's degree, you need to prepare for it. You need to study a whole lot of art history for this. Art history is required for this. Basic grammar knowledge of English is required. Hindi and some general knowledge is required, and that's it. And you can give the exam.
Okay. And for the course BFA, what are the top colleges and what about the fee structure?
Top colleges. well, there are every state has a college where you can have the degree bachelor's of fine art. Every state, like in Kolkata there is a Kolkata College of Art, Delhi College of Art in Delhi you have. So in every state there is a college of art. So talking about top, you can, if you are good at art, if you have the skill, you can top anywhere. So I cannot say that this college is very good or that college, because you're learning same thing everywhere. You cannot list a college, but just to tell people the college is very good. So I am from Jamia Millia Islamia. There is a college of art in Delhi. Best college, I would say, people always underline this college, Sir J. J. College of Art, which is very good for applied arts and painting. It's in Mumbai, and a college which gives you a very soothing environment. It's uh, it's Vishwa Bharati Shanti Niketan. It's in Bolpur, West Bengal. So these four colleges are always talked about, and there's one more college in Baroda. It's very good for designing.
And if you don't mind, then tell us about yourself. Like, what made you to, what prompted you to go for this course, and what specialization are you pursuing?
uh, Actually, when I was in school, I used to draw well. So I tried doing commerce first. I tried doing commerce first, but maths was very difficult for me. So my school teacher told me about this course. Before my 11th class, I wasn't knowing about this course also. In school they don't tell you, they don't guide you that if you don't want to do science, or if you don't want to do commerce, and you are good at art, then they don't tell you ki, go and pursue BFA degree. There is a diploma course, or there is a graduation you can do in this fine art. So I was lucky to have a teacher I got. So she told me that you can, if you don't want to do, if you don't want to do math and all, so you can pursue this. So you have to go for coaching. So I went for so I practicing, and then I went for coaching, and then I sat for an entrance exam, and then I came into this.
We surely need some teachers like that because I myself am from non-medical background, whole family of engineers, and then I'm pursuing law, going out of the bounds kind of thing. So I can really relate that. And is there any advice that you want to give to our viewers?
Advice I would like to give would be that if nowadays students are like ki, they they see people doing art in Instagram, making portraits and Instagrams, Facebook, so they get inspired from there. I would like to suggest them that if you really want to if you really like drawing and painting, if you want to see your future in it, seriously, if you really like it, because people think that I don't want to study, I'm bored of it, I don't want to study anymore. So it's very easy to draw and paint. I'll easily make uh, paintings and sell it of lakhs or crores as. So this is exhibitions and all are after it takes um, years for a person, for a very good artist even. It takes years. So if someone is like, I want to sell paintings, and you will not start selling it now, na. It needs years for it. It will take years. So I would like to suggest students who really who really like art, and who are really skillful, who are really creative with colors, then only pursue this course. If you are ready to if you're really ready to devote your time towards it, if you are ready to work hard towards, then only pursue this.
Yes, true. And thank you so much. It was really a very fruitful session with you. And hoping to have more conversations like this. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.